Want new wires? I give you new wires.
There is excess weight on the car that oil matters. So इधर से ये मेन बैटरी है, फिर उसके बाद ये कंट्रोल बोर्ड है मोटर्स के लिए, एंड दिस इज़ अ स्विच ऑन करते ही कार चालू। और ये मेन है सर, ये जो है ना ये चीज़ है ऑर्डिनो बोर्ड सर। ये USB टाइप की पोर्ट है जिसको लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करते हैं और हम कोड करते हैं, तो इसके तो ये मेन पूरा सर्किट काम करता है।
How do you code? What do you write? Codes. What do you write?
कोड कमी सर कोड
What do you write in the codes?
सर C++ लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं। C++।
Hey, what do you say? You say black there?
No, we don't say that. So sensors की एक वैल्यू होती है, these all sensors have a value. तो हम लोग sensors will just show you.
Yeah. Hey, what do you code? How do you code?
They'll explain to you.
Light sensor. If it touches black, it shows 450. So it's
Around 450, not exactly.
yeah.
So see, this is the battery which provides 12 volts of battery. Now this is the Arduino which can take only 5 volts. So there's something called as buck. So in that 12 volts go through here, and in this thing reduces the 12 volts to 5 volts so that only 5 volts is supplied to the Arduino. If more than 5 volts is supplied to the Arduino is gone, you can't use it again. From this Arduino you go to this thing. This is kind of like a separate motor which all runs all the 4 motors here. And this is a switch which you can use to charge the batteries. Now what happens when you switch on the switch, the current passes through and the wheels start turning. Now this is a sensor which will detect the black path on it. So there are 3. One is the left, right and like left, middle and right one. So you check the sensitivity by putting some particular code, and depending on the sensitivity of this sensor, you code it. Like you put the value less than, it will turn left and right. So according to the different sensor, you put the sensitivity code.
Use C++.
It's kind of,
it has its own.
it's a own code.
Okay. Now, if all that is done,
It is similar to C++.
yeah, but why is it going off in many cases? I've seen. See there now.
See,
Because the coding
it has something to do with performance, sensitivity and speed. If you put very high sensitivity, you go very slow. If you put very high speed, you come out of track. So you have these guys have challenges. They have to get a sensitivity because I've given very sharp turns at some places. At the same time, they should be computing for this time. So that is what the balance they need to make.
How do you control time with this? Speed.
Yeah, there's something called as delay.
Delay,
ahead.
which has like if you put 1000 means 1 second, and each by 1000 means it has each is 1 millisecond. So by that putting one delay, like let's say I want to give a 1 second delay, so I'll write delay in brackets. I'll write 1000, so it becomes 1 second delay. Like
So for that, so say if you're moving forward, for 1 second move forward, and then again check where am I. So if you make it, if you want to go fast, you can put 1000, 5000. Well, go fast and actually go out of the track.
It may miss
Miss the reading, next reading.
it's a balance.
Yeah, the balance is very much required.
Very interesting. What are the time you feel the best time so far?
So far we have a time of 145.40 seconds. 145 team Arjun's team was able to Arjun and Sharan and Sujit, 3 people, they were able to finish it in 140.
How many teams do you have?
5 teams. All cars are working. The thing is, till now we had the other track which you have seen last time. Now this was presented to them at 3:30, so they never had time to practice on this one. So they practiced.
So how much time do you give them to code?
Code they get like half an hour, 1 hour. That is more than more. That's all we can give them. Secondly, today I was they were only allowed to ask 5 questions. So they can't ask more questions than me. Now I'm not touching anyone's car. I'm not doing anything to their cars now. It's fully on them. I've taught them for like this much time, but now their showcase thing. So we kept it like 5 question system. So they have asked 5 questions. That's it. So I'm not helping beyond that.
Okay. So I'm sure you'll do well. Let's see. But just check up why you're going off. And rightly what I said, the speed has to be controlled. You can't let it go full speed and you miss the track. Okay? Let's see. How many teams are over now?
2 teams are over. Another 3 are left.
3 teams. So each team takes how much time?
Like this is they are taking around 145, 1 minute 45 seconds.
Now, if you give one team and they by chance come out, then you give the team again time to do it, or you take the next team?
We just take the next team. Oh no, actually, let's just try and bring it back to the same time. So it's been sent out, they bring it here. We'll take the total time still. So if they say they went out of this portion, right? So come back here, and that time will count it.
From wherever they come out, they come back to the start point.
No, the previous lap one. Previous lap.
So you have some time for that?
Yeah.
Where is the time scale?
No time. We're using stopwatch to get the timing. Actually, we're using 2 of them so that we have a proper accuracy there. Nameless ready?
You can also put a timer in this system. Okay.
Yes, sir. I was doing that, but the thing is,
Timer in the
it didn't work out that well. So my point was to start with the sensors and make it work. The thing is, we had very less time to finish the whole thing. I just decided yesterday that we don't have competition in Tom.
So Fernando
And Arjun and Sujit.
Sujit. Please try.
Another 3 teams are still left, sir.
The other team also finished?
No, first we gave 2 chances. So first was this one, Fernando's team, and then these guys, they just were 2 seconds behind.
2 seconds. That was good. Okay.
So they were 2 seconds behind.
Who was in your team?
Me.
And Sangeet.
Very good.
2 seconds you can have.
2 seconds almost good. Don't worry. Don't be nice. Okay. The total time is 1 minute 45 seconds. And the 2 seconds is very nice. Okay. But that is the time. Even if you take time, you should not go out.
So they trying to go out to the time.
That's definitely
Yes, their car is like 2 minutes. That's too much. So they're trying to get the team, make it fast and accurate. Now they have tried to make it accurate and it's stuck something else.
What happened, Ravina?
Charge is there, 11.50. That's less, right? You can start, get 8 to 12. 8 to 12. Guys, give me final, this thing, we have to leave, we have class, right?